2 hours later, all the way. Got 2 left. So that's the boy. It was 2 hours. But still got missing wing feathers. It's the one right there. And then the hen, I think the hen's like 40 minutes later, so she's about an hour 20. That's pretty good. You can see the missing wing feathers as they're flying. She is from the big blue hen that made reds last time. So very happy with that pair. Amazing. There is one or two birds missing from the hawk, but hopefully they come back. That's just the way it is. But yeah, nice chill flight. They are high flyers there, they have to fly. But definitely, as you can see, when they're more mature, they're smarter. Can't do anything about the hawk.